This error while downloading datasets, value error, I/O operation on closed file. I have started with deep learning with theano and keras. However, for any program, I will have to load the dataset, and I'm not able to load any dataset. Even if I run these two lines. I even tried the above with minced dataset. Exact same error. I tried to run the commands one by one, the first import goes well. In the second command, it runs and Python begins downloading. However, after a few seconds, it breaks. This is the exact error. I do not know why this is happening. Seems like something is wrong in the file data_utils.py. What do I do?
I tried your exact code and it works fine on my computer. The failure could be due to several reasons, like an unstable internet connection or not enough free space in your home folder. What you can do is to download the file manually using a download manager, put it in tilde.keras datasets and rename it to cifar 10 batches py.tar.gz and run the code again. It should pick up the file and continue processing from there.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.